This side is fairly clean. Not much work on this side, but oh well, got something here. Yes, yes, yes. This is the man G Annie, and I'm back with this Benz 450 SLC, most expensive Benz of its era back in 1978. This Benz actually priced at 13,000. Can you imagine 13,000 back then? And I think that equivalents to about 60,000 today, or somewhere around there. Maybe between 130 to 160. Yeah. So back with the rust out repairs on this magnificent machine. Now let's check it. Yeah, you got a rust out right there by the I don't need that motor, which I thought the side was clean, but it's wrong. Now we got a rust out right here, and I'm going to reveal what caused these rust out above the wheel and right next to your bump on your quarter panels. Both sides are rust out, outer panel and the inner panel. Take a load of this bouncer filler on this car. This was done somewhere back, I would say in the 80s, maybe 90s. I wouldn't say in the 80s. This was done somewhere maybe in the late 90s, because it takes about 10 years or so for it to rust out, and then the car might have sat around for a while before somebody started repairs on it. So I figured this was done back somewhere about early 90s, somewhere around there. Now, we still have guys doing the same type of stuff today. The filler is not meant to cloak over a problem. If you want to do it something like this here, you want to cut it out and place it with new sheet metal and have it to a level where it's 90 to 95% close to the OEM specs, and then the other 5% or so filler would take up that 5%, but not cloak it with filler, because it's way out of spec, way below the spec, and you have to cloak it with filler to bring it back up to OEM spec to get a proper flow, proper alignment of the panel, proper levelness, and a proper contour of the panel. That's what happened there. As you see here, this was repaired before many moons ago, and this piece was placed over the existing rust out. Never put new sheet metal patch panel over existing rust out. Always cut that rust out up into a solid sheet metal before you put new patch panel sheet metal, because it's only going to rust again. That's just like giving it extended life. When you do it that way, you put new sheet metal over the rust out. It's just going to rust again over a period of time. So yes. Okay, they put sealers in these areas to hold out dust, dirt, and water, but in the process of it doing that job, it holds moisture and rotting out the panel after a while. And also down here behind the rocker panel, you will see the same thing happening, because sealer are down those areas also. And it's very common, because even on later model cars, I've seen it. All makes, all models, I've seen it. And they continue to do it. And this is the result that you're going to get after a while. After a good 7 to 10 years, sometime even less than that, you see the quarter or the rocker starting to bubble up. So this is what it is. This is what caused that problem. So if you have a car, a vehicle, sedans, mainly sedans, and crossovers also, SUVs, and you see this going on at your rear quarter and right above the wheel, sometime all the way down to the rocker, you see this going on, it's bubbling there. That car is between 5 to 10 years old. That is the cause. Okay, I got this inner piece all fabricated and lined up and ready to be welded in. So if you have a vehicle and you see that, this is what caused it. And I remember I used to work on a lot of Hondas. Hondas were famous for this. The Honda Accords and Civics, they were famous for this, and even the Acuras also. Because I dealt with a lot of Hondas and Acura back my time back in New York. So now we have some video coming up also on my Honda Life in New York. Okay, I just added the amounts of Hondas that I worked on. And letting it air out before I start the weld. That is what caused this problem. So now you know what causes it. And this is the way to fix it. If you're mechanically inclined and you have some kind of skills and you're not afraid to, you have the tool to do this here, this is the way you should repair it. Exactly the way you see I'm doing it here. So if you don't, take it to a professional. Let a professional handle it. If you have that, if you've been to school, some of you youngsters might have been to school, and yeah, you have the exposure and hands-on. Yeah, you can tackle this yourself. But the ones who have no experience and knows nothing about this, take it to the professional. But at least you know what causes this rust out in your vehicle.
Son, you bodied this beat.
So this is the upper patch, outside patch. Inside patch was the other piece, and this is the outside patch. Grind down to a flush, and then proceed to apply filler after. Now this concludes this video. Now remember, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.